ASEAN's economy is growing faster than most regions. Demand on goods and services has been rising, which draws investments from all over the world. Thailand is strategically located at the heart of the ASEAN Economic Community. The Thai government has extensively invested in the country's infrastructure, especially in the special economic area called the Eastern Economic Corridor, or EEC, to ensure economic growth of the region. Located in Sriracha, Chonburi, at the centre of the EEC, Digital Park Thailand is Thailand's first special economic zone to promote digital innovation and investment to support Thailand's 4.0 initiative. With extensive telecommunication and digital infrastructure developed by Thailand's leading digital service provider, CAT Telecom, including high-speed optical fibre network, international submarine cable network, satellite station and data center. Digital Park Thailand is well equipped to be the digital gateway of ASEAN and ready to serve any demands from investors. 4 areas of innovation are targeted in Digital Park Thailand. 1. Internet of Things, or IoT. 2. Artificial Intelligence, or AI. 3. Robotics and Automation Systems. And 4. Digital Services and Data Center. Digital Park Thailand is located on 280 acres in Sriracha, Chonburi, which will become the heart of the Eastern Economic Corridor, or EEC. The park is conveniently accessible by various transportation means. 1 hour 15 minutes from Suvarnabhumi International Airport, 50 minutes from Utapao International Airport, and 15 minutes from Lemchabang Deep Sea Port. To support economic growth of the EEC, the Thai government is pushing forward infrastructure mega projects such as dual-track rail, Bangkok-Rayong high-speed train and motorway. As Digital Park Thailand is surrounded by large industrial estates and leading universities, investors in the park can benefit from potential nearby customers and be assured of continual supply of new talent. Digital Park Thailand is comprised of 3 zones. Zone 1, Digital Innovation Zone, where leading companies in digital technology, both Thai and multinational, cluster together to develop and innovate digital products and services. The area also includes training centres and collaborative labs between the industries and the universities in the area. Zone 2, Digital Service Zone. This area is aimed to be the ASEAN premier hub for digital transaction, such as cloud services, e-commerce and digital content. And Zone 3, Living Zone. An innovative, eco-friendly complex offers a residential area, hotels, department stores, restaurants, a sports centre and recreational area. Investors will receive special incentive packages under the EEC Act. This includes special tax benefits from the Board of Investment, along with regulation relaxation, a one-stop service centre, and ongoing reform, increasing the ease of conducting business to an unprecedented level. Digital Park Thailand is ready to serve as the digital innovation hub of the future. Digital Park Thailand is ready to welcome investors from all over the world. Digital Park Thailand is ready to be the gateway to EEC and ASEAN markets. Digital Park Thailand offers the best quality of life for investors and professionals. Digital Park Thailand, the most strategic area for digital investment in ASEAN.